Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at this case, so let's just take it out. This is exactly how the case comes. Okay, so there's plastic behind, nothing in front, so you need a screen protector. And I can feel that this is rubbery, which is perfect. That's exactly what we want. We always want this type of rubber on the sides. It's the best thing you can get. Plastic cracks, plastic doesn't protect as much. So this is an iPhone 8 case. However, this will fit an iPhone 6s or even 7 because they're very, very similar. The only difference between iPhone 6, for example, 6s I mean, would be the back. The camera would be slightly smaller, but it still fits here just fine. So if you're worried about that, then this case will fit on either one of those phones. So from what I can see, to take this out, I need to kind of do that around it, I guess. I guess that's how you open it up. I don't want to break it. But yeah, that doesn't go off. So I'm guessing I just have to put this rubber. There we go. Okay, so this is how you take it out. Good, good. I was getting worried there for a second. Okay, that's plastic. This seems okay. I mean, yeah, sure, this could break pretty easy, but it is what it is. So let's just put the iPhone in there. And I guess I shouldn't have done that, right? I'm guessing I should just put this on top. Yep, I should definitely put it on top. Should put it on top like so. It's nicely and secure. I can see the buttons here that I have access to. Right there, that's fine. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. And keep in mind, it's the same thing. Again, if you guys have an iPhone 6s or 7 or 8, they're all gonna fit inside this type of case. And specifically this case, it's gonna fit. It's not the easiest thing to take it out, and I'm hoping it's gonna be easier to put it in. I hope so. It's kind of a challenge, a little bit. So if you need to take your phone a lot from the case constantly, then I wouldn't get a case like this. This is very tight. Okay. There we go. I like the look. This looks pretty sleek. I like this. So you guys see how this raises up a little bit from the screen? That's perfect. So if this falls to the ground, then we're not gonna have any problems where the screen hits the ground first. What you guys want to hit the ground first is obviously this. Okay, so your protector and not the screen. Also, there's this protector around it. I always like that. Camera axis. Yeah, it's almost touching the camera. I think I can slide the phone down a little bit so it's not touching at all, but it seems like it's barely touching it. Again, this is an iPhone 6s I have here. An iPhone 8, the camera goes down a little bit more because it's slightly bigger, right? So with an 8, it should fit a little bit better. Let's just test out the camera to see if it's actually getting in the way. So no, we would see like a dark circle somewhere, right? Because you're thinking, oh, it's slightly touching it, but it's not. It's okay. And the flash is fine, everything else is fine. So that's how it looks on the back. The sides, they do have access to these buttons. They feel fine. This right here. Let me see if I can open it up. Yep, I can open this up and I have access to that. Okay. Right here, power. Yep, works great. Down here, I have access to everything. I think I can open this up as well. There we go. I'm not a big fan of always having to open these up, but it helps, right? Especially when you have an iPhone 6s like this, which is not waterproof like the 7 or 8. So you do need this additional protection. Other than that, what I can tell you guys from just right now viewing this, it feels pretty good. I like this. I like the rubbery more than the plastic. That rubber I know protects your phone a lot. I've had rubber cases for iPads and everything. They don't crack, obviously, because it's rubber, and they last a long time. They protect your phone or iPad way better than just plastic. Anyways, that would be it for this unboxing. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.